Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the fastest route to grind for exploration points in Heartopia. This is my opinion. If you have a better route than me, then feel free to comment it on the comment section down below. Let's get started. I start here with the sea grape. So we're just going to kind of go around Whalefall Canyon. Next, we are going to harvest this wakame over here. And then this is our first one. So then we are going to grab this one. We're going to harvest the second one here. Then we're going to go to our third one over here. Once you're done with that, you're just going to go over here to harvest this. Oopsies, sorry. And then after that, we are going to go on top of this one and harvest that one. And once you are done with that, we are going to swim over here to the dolphin's trough. Oh my gosh, there's a dolphin there. It's so cute. And then one more here. And then we're going to go over to this rock. It's still like glowing, so you can see kind of from afar. Okay, we're here. And then if the like sea grapes isn't ready yet, you can just swim down here and it's going to already be recharged with pollutants and you can get exploration points from that. I know some people don't like it because it wastes their energy, but it's another way to level up your hobby as well. So this is what I like to do. There we go. Oh, okay, I got something. Okay. Then once you're done with that, you're just going to go back to the sea grapes, or if it's too far, you can start with this one, but it hasn't given the like sparkle glow yet. So we are going to go back to the sea grapes and you're just going to do that until you level up, I guess. But if you're bored, you can just cruise through the whole area and harvest some plants, but this is like, I guess, the fastest way to do it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.